There's people over there. Well, as long as I stay over there, I think I'll be fine. So, it's been a weird past few days. One of the things was this past Friday, I was at the Met Opera and I got to see the current production of Da Zauberflaute. Now the costuming and setting was a bit weird, but overall the performances were wonderful and it was great, especially the Queen of the Night sequence. Hella Roche, I think that's what it's called. I can't remember off the top of my head, but you know, the one that's like, well, that bit. That part was very good. It was the highlight of the evening. And then my favorite bit was Papageno. And I had meant to bring origami paper to make him an origami bird when I met him at the stage door. And then I got on the train and realized I didn't have the paper after I was walking to the train, but by that point it was too late. So luckily for me, I found a receipt paper and I made a square out of the receipt paper and I made him a little flappy bird out of receipt paper. He really liked it. His name is Thomas Olamon, I believe that's how it's pronounced, and he was Papageno. He was very good. I especially love the part where he's singing about how he wants a wife or a girlfriend, and he goes out into the audience, picks a lady in the audience, walks back on stage, and then they project his phone number onto the stage. So it's like, call me. I'm hoping to see the fox because it's a rather slow day. And, well, I'm hoping I see him because I'm hoping somebody didn't hurt the poor fox. The birds in here are very interesting right now. A lot of little songbirds are very interesting. I saw a bird there, and it's not there anymore. Damn. Siéntate. 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 Bueno. Shoot. Earl. Earl. You smell anything? Once I see the bird, I go to film it, and then it's gone. Well, there we go. A lot of little songbirds. One thing that's coming up is April 5th, this Saturday, next Saturday. Yeah, this coming Saturday will be a year since the earthquake that hit New York City. You know, a while ago, a long time ago, I went down this path and it was pretty messed up. And it went to stuff that I wasn't really cool with finding. And I'm not gonna test that one out today. I really hope the fox is okay. I wonder what the water is doing today. It's a little dry. Not as much as flowing as it was the last time I was here. Oh, well, that moved. But there's a lot of water over here. Means it's probably very swampy. Come on. That one bird, that weet 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 weet, sounds like a disco beat. There's a lot of them. What is that? Oh, what is that? Whoa. Up. Yeah, what? Wait.